Hi everyone, what is up? Hope you guys are having an amazing day so far. In today's video, I am going to talk about the Vizio Makeup Academy Makeup Kit. So this has 7 books of wonders. I say 7 books of wonders because you can do so many things with it. So you're probably gonna ask, like, Jessie, what is Vizio Makeup Academy? They are an accredited makeup school online that you can do in the convenience and the comfort of your own home. Now, to me, if you are going to learn something online or have like a further education on something that you really like, I think that you should definitely go ahead and check their educational background. What have they contributed to beauty industry that you're looking for, or any industry that you're looking for? I think the stronger the credentials, the more confident that you will be because they know what they're talking about. So today's video, I'm just going to focus on the kit that they have provided for me. I'm going to show you guys one by one what's in the kit, and then I am going to apply this on my face so you can see how they apply, and then after that, I will give you guys my overall thoughts. So let's go ahead and start. So when you get your package, it is going to look like this. When you open it up, you can see that it is so nice and secure, and it binds it all together with this box right over here, as you guys can see. So let's open them one by one. I'm just going to grace over them and show you guys. Volume 1 is the color correcting kit. When you open it up, you will notice that there is actually a guide so that you guys have like a better understanding of the function of the colors. You can mix it with a foundation. So again, when you see this, the possibility is endless. You can use it as an eyeshadow base. You can add depth or warmth into any makeup product that you have. Next, we have the Volume 2, which is the foundation palette. You can use this to conceal, hide imperfections, or just even out your skin or your client's skin. And as you guys can see, there are so many colors perfect for different undertones. So this is the highlight and contour palette. Again, so many shades to choose from, perfect for every skin tone. This kit, you will be getting 2 eyeshadow palettes. Now, this is the colorful version of the palette. You have your pinks, your yellows, your greens, and your purples. I think this is actually enough for you to create that, fun party look or whatnot, avant-garde and all that jazz. And then you have your warm neutrals palette. Now, this is my absolute favorite. I feel like my makeup preference changed over time again. So I really love the colors in that palette. And then you have the blush palette. Now this one also, you can use it as an eyeshadow if you wanted to. These shades are so beautiful, perfect again for every skin tone. And lastly, we have the lip palette, and I think this is really fun because you can customize your own lip shade. And look at all these colors. These are the type of colors that I really strongly feel that I would definitely use, not just for me, but like professionally as well. Now it's time for the fun part. Now, I just realized that there is no brow product that it includes in this kit. I actually wish that they have like a separate one, different undertones, but right now I'm actually just using the eyeshadow in one of the eyeshadow palettes to create my brows. And then I'm going to be doing the other side as well. So I'm mixing 2 shades, Bassi and Chi Chi. I will be showing you the colors in a bit. And so far, so good. They function very well. These are the colors that I use. And then I'm going to clean up my brows using the foundation palette in the shade Almond. So as you guys could see, by doing this technique, I get more definition in my brow. Now, this is actually not necessary. All of us are very different. This is a technique that I have been doing for so long, and I just like it like that. So some people do their whole entire complexion first, but me, I prefer doing my brows first. Now, moving on with the eyes, I am going to start from light to dark and applying a dark shade onto my crease to create some depth. And I absolutely been eyeing in this color ever since I opened it. So I thought, like, you know what, why not? I'm going to use this nice, beautiful berry shade today. And then I don't have any eyeliner today. So I thought, like, you know what, let's use the color correcting palette. And I'm using the darkest one to create like an eyeliner. So basically I'm just improvising. And then this formula seems to be a little runny. So what I'm going to do is that I'm going to use a dark eyeshadow and seal that in. So next I am going to combine these 2 shades and apply it on my face. I'm just putting very little since I have been wearing masks all the time at work,
I feel like putting on foundation, it's kind of like, to me, why would I even do that? And nobody sees my face anyway, but I'm just adding a little bit so you guys could see how they perform. Just very light application. So this is the before and after. As you guys can see, you can tell the difference under my eyes. I'm totally hiding my bags. It's insane. And then after that, I'm going to get my translucent powder and dust that all over my face very, very lightly. Some people use a sponge. I just miss using brushes, so I am going to use a brush. Next, we are going to contour my egg face. I'm going to grab this color right over here and just apply that as I normally would. And then, of course, after that, we are going to apply our peach blush. And then after that, we're going to finish off with the lip color. And there you have it. This is the final look.
So this is the final makeup look, you guys. I'm actually so surprised on how this turns out. I wish you guys could see me in person. And this is the reason why I wanted to use the natural lighting, so you can really see everything in my face. Now, let's talk about the entire kit one by one. I would say the color correction gives you a lot of colors that you can customize pretty much everything. Now, if there's a scenario that you have to improvise like a bunch of things, like even lips, even foundation, you can definitely use this one. Your imagination is the only limit when it comes to using this palette. And I really adore this palette because it doesn't have any weird smell and it blends without any mixing medium. So I like that about that. Now moving on to the foundation and concealer palette. Now I'm doing a first impressions, okay? But I will be continuing on using this probably for like 2 weeks and update my description box for you guys. So overall, I would like to emphasize the color options in this foundation kit because I really love it. Because it has everything for different types of undertones: olive, warm, neutral, reddish, you know, yellow. I really love the fact that you can mix these up as well and customize your own shade. And you can mix it this with the color correction palette as well if you wanted to. So I would say that, of course, if you add like an oil or anything like that, use it first to like you know, a trial makeup or anything like that, if it, you know, goes along well with this product, if I make any sense. If I don't, I'm sorry. Oh, someone's calling me. Hold on. And then next we have the powder and highlight contour palette. I love it. It is very handy. It is not powdery and it's full of pigment. I can definitely use this one as an eyeshadow as well. And I just really love it. You know what? Oh my gosh. I can't believe I haven't even had a little bit of the highlighter. I'm so sorry. But the powder and the contour blends like butter. I freaking love this. I wish I kind of like want to depot it because it's really, really good. I want to get a little bit of ritzy. Later, I haven't been doing, I haven't been really doing like highlighter. That's why, like, you know, I haven't even thought about, wow. You guys see that? It's really, really good. And I'm not paid to do this video, really. I'm really not. Okay, so we have the eyeshadow pressed pigment palette. This is what it looks like. It is so beautiful. You have all of the colors that you could, you know, you could use if you're in a gig. Now, usually when I do makeup outside, I would already have my client consultation, of course, of what they want. If I don't think I can't see anything from this kit that I would ever need, then, you know, that's the only time that I would grab something else. Usually it's just like loose glitter or anything like that. But I noticed over the years of me doing outside gigs, I noticed that I barely touch these colors. It has always been the natural warm colors and cool undertones that I typically use. which is this one. Now, I really like this because all of the shades, they are different from each other. You're probably like, what are you talking about? They're very close. No, girl. Some of these may look super close while you're looking at it in the pan, but once you put it on your eye, for sure, it's going to look different. I have a similar palette like this. I can't just like, because I have like a bajillion eyeshadow palettes, obviously, if you guys have been following me for a really long time. And I would say that the formula of this one, I really love it. It has that consistency from like the contour and the powder palette. It's very, I would say like it's very micro fine, and I really love the fact that it just doesn't crumple up, because that's what I kind of was expecting when I put on the cream foundation and then I put the powder on top. I was like, oh no. I have past experiences with cream, you know, foundations in a pan like that, and they didn't really look good on me. So today the moisturizer that I use is actually water-based. It's not even that a greasy formula, so everything just really depended on the foundation palette, which is nice. So that's how I proved that, you know what, it's actually a really good formula, because my skin is somehow dry, and that foundation cream, it's not very runny, so it's dense. It's super easy to build. So if you want something that will make it even more, you know, glide a little bit more, then you should use like a makeup base. And then we have the blush palette. Everything in this palette is actually very functional. Again, you can use this as an eyeshadow as well. Again, your imagination is your only limit. I truly enjoyed this, and I can see myself like putting this in my makeup table every single day, because again, like I don't even need to grab anything else. I was thinking in the back of my head like, man, I wish they have like an eyeshadow, you know, I mean like a brow palette specifically for the brows, but then again, I have something in the eyeshadow palette that I can definitely use, which to me, it looks really, really good. And then lastly, we have the lip palette. You have a lot of shades in here. You don't need anything else anymore. It saves you so much time packing. So in conclusion, I'd like to say that the lips too, they're nice and creamy. I was thinking actually of like putting like a lip balm underneath, but I didn't anymore because I want to kind of have like a feel on how it is. I feel like there's, I can't say like, but it kind of feels a little like shea. That's how I feel. And again, I really love the fact that these palettes don't have that nasty, gunky smell, like chemical smell. So overall, I think this kit is really, really nice. It is very handy. And again, if you guys are going to invest in your future or invest on your side hustle, I really do think that you should go to people who knows their craft. Because me, even though I've been a makeup artist for many years, you're probably gonna think like, your makeup sucks. But here's the thing. The learning does not stop. Even me, I've been doing makeup for like a really long time, not just like aside from like the self-taught and everything. I've worked for different makeup brands and skincare lines. I still want to learn a lot of stuff, because you can always, you know, learn from other people as well. I'm typically not the type of like a know-it-all. I'm very open-minded with other people's ideas, because that's how you learn and that's how you master something. So in the future, I think I would be interested with their eyelash course, because I've had it in the past, but I kind of want like a refresher course, because I'm pretty sure they have more things that they can share, like tips and tricks and secrets that I haven't learned from my previous one. So that's something that I'm really looking forward to. So if you guys, again, if we want to invest on education, I really think that Vizio Makeup Academy is something that's worth a shot for you. So that's pretty much it, you guys. Thank you guys so much for watching, and if you are still not part of the Sassy family, make sure to subscribe to my channel, turn your post notifications on, and I'll see you on my next video. Bye!